Hello, Teacher Pathway students. I want to give you a quick video that gives you an example of how to set up your portfolio for final printing. This video will look at how to use the OWL Purdue site to access some resources about APA style and formatting, and give you a model of the front page and table of contents of your final portfolio. What you see on the screen is a good model of the front page of your portfolio. And what I'm assuming at this point is that you have all of the elements of your portfolio in one huge Google Doc, and that you have all of that below here. And the first page then is your front page of your portfolio. You can see at the top that I have the words running head and then semester 1 portfolio. In APA style, this running head semester 1 portfolio appears at the top of all subsequent pages. You can also see that I've checked the box for a different first page. So if you double click in the header section and then choose this option, you'll be able to put the words running head, a colon, and then semester 1 portfolio. Using this option, a different first page, means that on your other pages, the second page and all subsequent pages, the header should just be semester 1 portfolio, not the words running head before it. Again, to get to the header, you just double click in this section. Let's go back to that first page. You can also see in the middle, I have the title of your work, the full title of your work, Teacher Pathway, a colon, semester 1 portfolio, then your name goes here, and then Lincoln High School. That's all that needs to go on the front page. The second page in your portfolio should be your table of contents. Now again, you should have all of your work below this and already in place so that you know what pages go with which work. So I've listed the 5 requirements here to the left. You need to have these 5 requirements in place. These indicate the pages where I can find your work. So if you in order to set up these page numbers, we insert a left tab stop. Let me show you how to do that. So I'll take this back, putting my cursor over here, and then I know that I want there to be a stop right here. So I go up to the place on my ruler. I'm going to see if I can adjust my screen a little bit so you can see. So if I'm up here, I go to this place on my ruler, and I'm going to make them all aligned to here. So I just click in the ruler, and then I should be able to insert or add left tab stop. This little blue flag indicates the left tab stop. So then, once that's there, I click tab, and it automatically aligns. I know that the lesson plan design will be first, so that should be found on page 3. If you're using Word, you might be able to use what's called a leader that would put dots between these, but that capability is not yet available in Google Docs. So don't worry about that leader or the dots in between. Just have these pages aligned. Again, you're clicking in the ruler and then choosing add left tab stop. One more thing, we need to insert your page numbers. So here in our header, we've clicked in the header. I'm going to go over to this section, and then using the insert menu, so go insert, you should be able to put header and page number, choose page number, and then the kind of page number that you want. And you just want a pretty simple page number right there. If you would add your name before that page number, that's helpful. So your last name, a space, and then it inserts the page number. This also automatically adds the page number to other work. So the next time that you're on the next page, this header information appears on all of your pages. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns as you put together your final portfolio. I'm excited to read your work and your reflections on our first semester. Take care.